An other charge item can be created by clicking on the item button, then New, and then selecting it in the item type window. Use this type of item for miscellaneous labor, material, or part charges, such as delivery charges, setup fees, and service charge. The other charge setup is the same as a service item, except it has the ability to select a percentage as well as an amount. If you designate it as a percentage, then you must put in the percentage sign after the percentage amount, otherwise QuickBooks will only recognize it as an amount. Let's create a new other charge and call it Delivery and Setup and put it as a percentage, say 6%, and we'll put in the income account as 40/140 or labor income. If you subcontracted this service, then you may want to activate this item is used in assemblies or is a reimbursable charge option, and now you could put in a cost for this item and track your costs for this service or provide a basis to get reimbursed for the cost. But in our example, we will leave it uncheck marked. Now let's go to our invoice and add in this other charge item. Notice when we put this in the invoice, it computes the 6% charge against the line item above it automatically. However, what if we want the other charge to be applied to the entire invoice amount up to that point? Well, QuickBooks does have a solution for this, which brings us to the next item called Subtotal. When we go to our new item window through our normal means by clicking on the item button in the item list, we simply select the subtotal item type and get a window that only requires to put in an item name. The obvious name to use is subtotal, and we probably don't need a description since the name is self-explanatory. Now when we go to our invoice, what we can do is put in the subtotal item before the other charge, so the 6% is computed on the entire amount and not just a single line item. So let's do that. Now, when I put in the other charge, the 6% is computed on the subtotal, which is now the line item above it. All is now good with the world. Let's now turn our attention to the next item, which is a group item.